This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss screen statement in GWC programming language in graphics mode. So the module number is 37. So let's start. The screen statement is commonly used to select a screen mode appropriate for a particular display hardware configuration. The first statement to be used in any graphics program is a screen statement. This statement makes the computer ready for the graphic operation, resolution of the screen, number of row and column, number of color possible, and whether pixel, graphic or text graphics is possible depending on the screen statement. The screen statement allows the programmer to select different display modes. Now we'll select the syntax of it, and the syntax is screen mode comma color switch. Where screen mode is a numeric value from 0, 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. It may not be run on each type of computer or monitor because it depends on the display card and monitor's type. Now we'll discuss the screen modes, viewers. Here mode is a numerical value. Mode can have value 0, 1, 2, 7, 8, 9 or 10 depending on the monitor and the display card adapter being used. Some of these modes may or may not be possible. First of all, we'll discuss the screen 0 statement. Screen 0 statement is used only in text mode, which is also the default mode. Text mode has 80 columns and 25 rows. This mode does not allow any pixel based graphics. Now we will discuss screen 1 statement. Screen 1 statement is used to activate the medium resolution graphic mode. Medium resolution graphic mode has 320 columns and 200 rows. This mode is used for graphics. Text is possible in 40 columns by 25 rows. It supports 4 colors. This mode requires CGA, EGA or VGA display adapter cards. Now we'll discuss screen 2 statement viewers. Screen 2 statement is used to activate high resolution graphic mode. High resolution graphic mode has 640 columns and 200 rows. This mode is used for graphics. Text is possible in 80 columns by 25 rows. It supports 2 colors. This mode requires CGA, EGA or VGA display adapter cards. Now we'll discuss the screen 7 statement. Screen 7 statement is used to activate the medium resolution, graphic mode with 16 colors. This mode can have 320 columns by 200 rows. Pixel graphic. Text is possible in 40 columns by 25 rows. This mode supports 16 colors. This mode requires EGA or VGA display adapter cards. Now we will discuss screen 8 statement. Screen 8 statement is used to activate the high resolution graphic mode with 16 colors. This mode can have 640 columns by 200 rows. Pixel graphic. Text is possible in 80 columns by 25 rows. This mode supports 16 colors. This mode requires EGA or VGA display adapter cards. Now the next statement is screen 9 statement. Screen 9 statement is used to activate the enhanced resolution graphic mode. This mode can have 640 columns by 350 rows. Pixel graphic. Text is possible in 80 columns by 25 rows. This mode supports 16 colors if the display card has more than 64K memory. Otherwise you get 4 colors. This mode requires EGA or VGA display adapter cards. Now we will discuss one more statement, which is screen 10 statement, and it is described as screen 10 statement is used to activate the enhanced resolution, graphic mode. This mode can have 640 columns by 350 rows, pixel graphic. Text is possible in 80 columns by 25 rows. This is a monochrome mode. It supports 4 attributes. This mode requires EGA or VGA display adapter cards. So that's all, viewers. We have discussed total screen modes, starting from screen 0 statement, screen 1, and then screen 2, screen 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's all. Thanks for watching.